everyone, my name is Wulan and welcome to my channel. I'm a crochet artist and currently living in Bali. I made crochet orders and been active in Instagram, YouTube and TikTok since 2021. I'm so glad this week because I and other Muslims all over the world will be entering the holy month of Ramadan. This is my first Ramadan in Bali since I decided to move to this island at the beginning of this year. I'm so happy and excited. Well, I already made 31 granny squares for my crochet order. I have to arrange all of these granny squares and then connect them to make front and back panels for the cardigan. One more granny square and it's complete to make a monster ink patchwork cardigan. I think it's enough for today. I have to go to the beach this afternoon. I went to the beach just to relax for a while, but unfortunately the weather is not good enough, so there's no sunset today. Walking around Kuta, stopped at the skate park, had some snacks, but no footage because I ran out of my battery. The next day, finished the panels. Turns out like this, heavier than usual, but still okay. Off to the beach again. The weather is so lovely today, and guess what? We just bought a durian on the way here. Look at this, it's so yummy. Agak mengkel sih guys, but it's okay. We need to burn calories today, so we will take a morning walk to one of the jogging tracks in Ubud, namely Campuhan Walk. As you can see, there's a temple here. The track is quite good, clean, no trash, fresh air, but unfortunately the lying grass is quite high, so there's not much view that we can see along the track. At the end of the road, we will find a very beautiful residential area full of art objects displayed along the road. And on our way home, we take the same track again because our motorbike was parked there. Then we return home and continue activities. Alhamdulillah, today I have completed this crochet order. I will immediately drop it to the Shopee expedition. I love the result and I hope my customer will do the same too. Off to the beach again and again. This time further, we went to Cemagi beach located near Tanah Lot. The journey here is very relaxing and the view on the beach is amazing. I mean, look at this.
It's like October sky. Fumbling, lost all track.
Along the road there are so many cafes. You can choose to enjoy the sunset in any way you like. Every spot here is insanely beautiful. We can also go through the small road next to this temple to get closer to the beach. Be careful because we are passing through this narrow road in a crowd.
So how can I
Found out so many people here chilling and some locals are fishing. Yeah, well, it's a good thing.
be so doomed? We all know the skies for the first time. We draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive. And I see
The sun is already set and it's time to go back home. Another beach to end up this week, it's Pererenan near Canggu. See, we can walk along the beach until we reach La Brisa Sunday Market, which is the next to Batu Mejan beach over there. Finally, this is our first day of fasting in the month of Ramadan. We hunt for takjil in the afternoon in the courtyard of the Baitur Rahmah Mosque, Denpasar. That's all for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!